After picking groceries in the supermarket, the Niqabi sister stood in line to pay. After a few minutes, her turn came up at the checkout counter. The checkout girl, who was non-Hijabi Arab Muslim girl, started to scan the items of the Niqabi sister one by one. And then she looked at her with arrogance and said, "We have in France many problems. Your niqab is one of them. We immigrants are here for trade and not to show our deen or history. If you want to practice your deen and wear niqab, then go back to your Arab country and do whatever you want." The Niqabi sister stopped putting her grocery in the bag and took off her niqab. The checkout girl was in total shock. The Niqabi girl, who was blonde with blue eyes, told her, "I am a French girl, not an Arab immigrant. This is my country and this is my Islam. You born Muslims sold your deen and we bought it from you. This is a fact. Many revert Muslims have stronger faith than born Muslims. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala says, and if you turn away, He will replace you with another people. Then they will not be the likes of you." Surah Muhammad, verse 38.